Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. If you're new, please consider subscribing. That's how you get notified when we post future videos. Like this video, that's the only thing I'll ever ask you to do. You don't pay for anything. You don't pay for indicators, robots, anything that I share with you, including knowledge and stuff like that. There are links in the description box below. If you're looking for robots, indicators, systems, stuff like that, visit those blogs, go through them and see if you cannot find what you're looking for. Then you can always come back and leave a request in the comments section below. So what you're looking at is me trading with a certain forex robot. I know some people said they would like to see such videos and see if forex trading with robots actually works. It does, eh? You can collect a lot of pips, and what I'm trading mainly is gold. I love gold and silver because of the amount that you can make with a smaller risk depending on your account. So you don't want to also have to risk a lot of your account and at the same time only make a few pips. So I find that gold is a good thing to trade because you can trade with 0.01. You can set the trade to the robot to trade with 0.01, and yeah, it can still make you some money. So yeah, watch the video and see how much pips you can collect with forex robots. Like this video, subscribe if you're not yet subscribed. Let's watch the video.